In this video, I'm going to take a look at this DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso coffee machine, some of the features and what to do to get it ready, and then we're going to make a cup of espresso coffee. Well, first of all, it comes with the quick start brochures, and there's a coffee scoop, and then a descaling solution that you might have to use every other 3 months. And here's the machine. The machine itself is pretty tall. So it measured 14 inches from here to here. I have put it on a low profile caster so that I could slide this in and out under the cabinet, because the cabinet clearance is only 15 inch. So I have to slide it out like this, and now I can open up the compartment for adding coffee bean. So here I have a adjustment for grinding fine or more coarse coffee beans by turning this dial here. So right now I'm setting at number 5, which is a fine, medium to fine grind. And then there is also a pre-grind funnel that you could put in pre-grind coffee without using this grinder. So this is another feature that this machine has. And I'm gonna put back the cover. So down in the front, I have here a milk or cream froth to make cappuccino coffee. And to turn it on, I have to first push this steam button, and then the dial here, I could turn it to 1. Now the machine is off, so I'm gonna just demonstrate. So this is where the steam would come out from here. Okay, so the first group here is the coffee recipe. So this button is for controlling the steam coming out. This is espresso, and this is coffee or long coffee, and this is Americano. This is more diluted. Here, this is the strength setting of the coffee. You have light, medium, and strong brewed. And this is for pre-grind, which is coffee that you put in this scoop here. It must be level. And then you put it on the top here for this pre-grind funnel. Down here, this is descaling. This setting button, you could use it to control the water softening filter, the beep sound, and the coffee temperature, and also the energy saving features. So this is all explained in the brochure. Now this ×2 is, if you hold this for 5 seconds, it will go into a cleansing cycle. If you just touch it and then select the recipe, it would brew double espresso, a double coffee, a double Americano. And this is an on-off button. So now for the water tank, is showing the water level here is right now in maximum. I filled it maximum already, and then it could be slide out like this by pulling this indentation handle here, and it will come out, and then pushing back in with a click like so. And this is the drip tray, so I can pull this out, and this is the coffee grind that comes down here. You have to clean it from time to time. There's an indication light showing up here. It is blackout now because the machine is off. It will show you that you need to empty this coffee grind tray. And I'm gonna remove this now. So here, so there is this stainless steel tray for your cup to stand on. And in here, this is the tray with a floater indicating that the drain water in the tray. This red marker would start to come out and it would indicate that you have to empty the tray. So let's put this back on. And then the coffee grind tray. And push it back in. Now there is a condensate tray in here as well that need to be emptied from time to time. Alright, I'm going to put this in now. So when this is plugged in and when you first turn it on, there will be a cleanse cycle. So I need to collect the water that is coming out from here that cleanse the system. Now, this milk froth, you need to clean it from time to time. If you use it, you could take this out. This is the sleeve, and this is the nozzle that it could come out. So here you have to clean this, the nozzle, and then the sleeve. And this one, just go on and turn like that. Okay, so I'm going to start it off. Right now it's going into a cleansing cycle. The light will be off flashing, and then there will be water coming out from the spout. Okay, so the cleansing cycle is completed. And right now you can see the recipe I could select from the top, which is actually only 3. This is for steamer. So this, I'm not going to use it for now. So I'm going to empty this cup now with the cleansed water. So I'm going to select Espresso. So it is finished right now, and here is my cup of espresso. Nice, creamy. Cheers.